So I have started an indoor herb garden. I haven't been hugely successful, unfortunately, with herbs in the past, but I've really wanted to do this for a long time, and now seemed to be the perfect time. Everybody is thinking about growing their own food, so I thought you guys can learn along with me and maybe learn from my mistakes if you guys want to start your own. So I purchased these things from Amazon. So this was a kit with 10 different packets of herb seeds that are non-GMO, organic, and cultivated in the USA. And then I got a grow light, a pack of these little potting soil pellets. It came with 12. I used 10. And then a pack of all of these disposable little seed starter pots. And so I planted them 1 week ago. I put 1 potting soil pellet per pot and then added the amount of water that it said on the directions. I think it was 4 to 6 ounces. And then you just wait like 10 minutes. It fluffs up and absorbs all the water. And then I just made a little hole in the middle of the soil, sprinkled a few seeds in each one, and then covered them lightly, tapped it down lightly, and then I've kept them moist. And I have them under the grow light. What I've learned is they take, at this point, 18 hours of light a day. So I've had them under the grow light for 18 hours a day, and the grow light is probably about a foot above them. So after a week, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them sprouting. So what I have learned is that fennel usually does best if you soak the seeds in water for a few days before planting them, and I didn't do that, and the fennel is not sprouting. But I'm just going to see what happens, and then I might try it that other way if they don't sprout after some time. And then the other ones that haven't sprouted are cilantro, parsley, and that's it. The rest of them have sprouted. I just realized that there's a tiny little sprout in the sage. So so there's oregano, and it has several little sprouts. Sweet basil, several sprouts. And then none on the parsley, 1 tiny one on the sage, none on the fennel, none on the cilantro, and then Thai basil has a few little sprouts, and then thyme has several little sprouts. The dill is like tall to here, a few little sprouts. I don't know if you can see, but... And then several little sprouts on the chives. So it's so exciting. You might be able to see this one. So I am so excited, and I'm going to do updates once a week so you guys can follow along, start your own if you want, and hopefully it will be helpful to some of you. We want to really incorporate as many herbs into our diet as we can because they're really good for our immune system. They have tons of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antiviral properties. So they're really healthy, and I would say probably if you have to choose like the ones with the most antiviral, the most immune boosting properties, I would say oregano, thyme, and rosemary. So rosemary didn't come in this kit, and I found out that probably the reason why is because rosemary doesn't do really well. It's hard to grow it from a seed. So instead I just got a couple of little rosemary plants at the store, and I have them outside because they like a lot of sun, and so I'm just gonna try and learn along the way. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. I'm so excited, and I hope that it's helpful to you guys. And anyway, so yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and tap the bell if you want to be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you so much.